For years, we've believed that strong partnerships are about more than just business. They are built through trust, consistency, and showing up for one another, both inside and outside of the workplace. At Lakeland Automall Wholesale Parts, supporting our partners has always meant looking beyond the day-to-day. Whether through service, reliability, or moments like this, we believe meaningful relationships deserve meaningful support. This food drive, alongside our valued partner Caliber Collision, brought teams together across Central Florida with one shared goal: giving back to the communities we all proudly serve. From Longwood to Altamonte Springs, Kissimmee East and Kissimmee OBT, Oakridge Orlando, Oviedo, Silver Star, St. Cloud, Winter Garden and Lakeland, to Anderson Road, Carrollwood, Clearwater, Florida Avenue, Nebraska Avenue, Riverview, Sligh Avenue, St. Petersburg, Tampa Interbay, Tarpon Springs, Wesley Chapel and Lutz, every stop represented something bigger than business. It represented people coming together to support local families and make a real impact. Because when businesses support one another, communities grow stronger. We are grateful for the relationships we've built over the years and proud to work alongside partners who share the same commitment to service, generosity, and community. To everyone who donated, volunteered, and helped make this possible, thank you for being part of something
For strong
meaningful.
communities to grow,
At Lakeland Automall,
than
Ford,
business.
Hyundai, and Genesis
It takes
Wholesale Parts,
partnerships,
we believe the strongest
generosity,
partnerships
and
are the
people
ones that give
showing
back.
up for one another. At Lakeland Automall Wholesale Parts, we believe the relationships we build should go beyond the day-to-day. Through service, support, and moments like this, we're proud to give back alongside partners who share the same values. This food drive, in partnership with Caliber Collision, brought teams together across the Tampa Bay area with one shared goal: supporting local families and strengthening the communities we proudly serve. From Lakeland to Anderson Road, Carrollwood, Clearwater, Florida Avenue, Nebraska Avenue, Riverview, Sligh Avenue, St. Petersburg, Tampa Interbay, Tarpon Springs, Wesley Chapel and Lutz, every stop represented people coming together to make a meaningful impact. To everyone who donated, volunteered, and helped make this possible, thank you for being part of something bigger. At Lakeland Automall, Ford, Hyundai, and Genesis Wholesale Parts, we believe the strongest partnerships are the ones that give